Now, you like me may have purchased one of these Kugoo S1 scooters or the Superteff Ew4 Pro scooters and come to unpack it and turn it on to figure out that the brake symbol seems to be illuminated and you can't go no matter what you do. I've been through all the settings on this device and I can't find a single way of how to get it off. Now I did a bit of research and I figured that apparently that you need to activate it via an app. So I downloaded the app, which is called the Kugoo app. You can get it on the Android App Store and iOS Store. You go on that, you turn your Bluetooth on. Now you can find the Bluetooth devices and you'll see that it'll probably start coming up with Kugoo. Now you can connect here to the Bluetooth speaker and then another one will come up which actually is the one that it will connect to. And it'll be this one here. And what it says is go to this device's app to pair with it. So that's what I did. So I went to Kugoo, wherever I can find it. Here. You see, it just doesn't come up with any Bluetooth devices. So, after another rummage around for hours on the internet, I figured someone said that you need the GPS on. So, I went and made sure. Now you can see my location is on, but I'm still getting no devices. Now, I figured that basically most apps that require your location normally ask you actually to allow the device to give the app your location. And I noticed that this app doesn't do that. So what I did was if I just close this app and then go to settings. Now this will be different on different devices, but the way through the menu should be virtually the same. So you're going to need to go into your app settings. Now on the Huawei P30 Pro, which is what this is, and any other Huawei phone, I imagine the software is pretty similar. You can go to permissions and then location, and basically you can just scroll down to the app. Now I imagine if you don't have a Huawei, and I imagine you just need to go into the app settings, then go to the Kugoo app itself. Now, I can't even find the Kugoo app now. Oh, there it is. I'm just being blind. Okay, so we activate Kugoo. Then, if we go back in the app, we'll notice that now, straight away, devices are being seen. And as soon as I click on this, you'll watch it disappear now. See? That brake light's gone. And now, if I lift up the wheel and then press the accelerator, this one's got the 0 speed. I haven't moved this one. Okay, so now I've activated the 0 start speed option, and as soon as you press the accelerator now, you'll notice that it'll start to go. Like so. And that's it, that's how you fix that activation problem. It's really irritating. There's not a lot of information about it on the internet. So I thought I'm going to do a video. I'd not done any videos in the past, but I thought this is definitely going to help someone, as this seems to be quite a popular reviewed scooter at the moment. So now I'm going to go take it out, as I've been waiting for about 3 hours to actually get this on. So anyway, hope it's helped. Happy scooting, guys.